Hello everyone, welcome back to the Novel Garden. In today's video, we are going to study Virginia Woolf, one of the most influential writers of the modernist period. We will cover her life, literary features, major works, important essays, writing style, and all the key points that are frequently asked in UGC NET, JRF, and other English literature examinations. So watch this video till the end because at the end I will also share some important exam tips that will help you score better in your exams. So now let's begin. Virginia Woolf full name is Adeline Virginia Woolf. She was born 25 January 1882, London, England. She died 28 March 1941. She was one of the most influential English novelists, essayists, and literary critics of the 20th century. She was a leading figure of modernism and a pioneer of the stream of consciousness narrative technique. Her works transformed the English novel by emphasizing the inner lives of the characters rather than external events. Virginia Woolf was a prominent member of the Bloomsbury Group and together with her husband Leonard Woolf, founded the Hogarth Press in 1917. Bloomsbury Group, a circle of writers, artists, philosophers, and intellectuals, the group promoted artistic freedom, individualism, and progressive ideas, rejecting traditional Victorian values. Literary characteristics of Virginia Woolf's writing is known for: number 1, stream of consciousness; number 2, interior monologue; number 3, psychological realism; number 4, symbolism; number 5, non-linear narrative; number 6, exploration of memory and time; number 7, feminist perspective; number 8, focus on ordinary life and human consciousness. The stream of consciousness technique presents a character continuous flows of thought, memory, emotions, and perceptions rather than following a simple chronological plot. Woolf explores how the human mind naturally moves from one thought to another. Major novels of Virginia Woolf: The Voyage Out, 1915; Night and Day, 1919; Jacob's Room, 1922; Mrs. Dalloway, 1925; To the Lighthouse, 1927; Orlando, 1928; The Waves, 1931; The Years, 1937; Between the Acts, 1941. Important essays of Virginia Woolf: A Room of One's Own, 1929; 3 Guineas, 1938; The Common Reader, 1925; The Death of the Moth, 1942, published posthumously. A Room of One's Own, most important for UGC NET. One of Virginia Woolf's most famous statements is, "A woman must have money and a room of her own if she is to write fiction." Main idea is economic independence is essential for women writers. Patriarchal society restricted women's creativity. Education and freedom are necessary for women's intellectual growth. The essay is considered a foundational text of feminist literary criticism. Now that we have understood Virginia Woolf's life and literary style, let's explore the major themes that run through her works. Number 1, feminism; number 2, identity; number 3, memory; number 4, time; number 5, death; isolation, human consciousness, gender rules, art and creativity. Before explaining why Virginia Woolf is important, now the question is, why Virginia Woolf considered one of the most important writers in English literature? Now let's find out. Because she was a leading modernist writer, revolutionized the English novel, popularized the stream of consciousness technique, a pioneer of feminist literary thought. Combine psychology and literature in innovation ways, continues to influence his writers, critics, and feminist scholars worldwide. Now it's time for exam tips. Remember Virginia Woolf as a modernist writer. Number 2. Associate her with the stream of consciousness and interior monologue. Number 3. Never forget A Room of One's Own, Mrs. Dalloway, and To the Lighthouse. They are among the most frequently asked work in UGC NET and JRF. Number 4. Learn the significance of the Bloomsbury Group and a Hogarth Press. Number 5. Understand her contribution to feminist literary criticism and modern narrative techniques. Virginia Woolf reshaped English literature by shifting attention from external action to the complexities of the human mind. Her innovative narrative style, feminist ideas, and exploration of memory, identity, and consciousness make her one of the most important authors of our UGC NET and JRF examination. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this lecture helped you to understand Virginia Woolf in a simple and exam-oriented way. Don't forget to check the description, where you will find important exam questions with their answers for your revision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Novel Garden for more UGC NET and JRF English literature content. See you in the next video. Happy learning. Thank you so much. Bye bye.